Hello, thank you for coming. I have 4 lightweight outerwear fall inspired jackets to wear. So the first one is Simplicity 9373. This is a cardigan and you got them in 4 different styles to choose from. And it's called Mrs. Knit Cardigan. Here are the art drawings for that pattern. This is knit. And here are your pattern pieces, 1 through 10. I never noticed this. I had this pattern for a while. I never noticed D, how short it was. I may use this pattern to make another cardigan. And it appears here. But I will probably use sleeves either like B or A and add a pocket. Because of my height, it may fall. Let's see what it's saying. This is D, so D length for a medium is 21 inches. So I have to check this guide. And these are your finished garments measurement. Check this guide to see before I sew it if this is the length that I want or if I want it longer. But look at A and B. A and B are the long ones, and this is D. So that's below the waist here. So some of the fabrics are double knit, IT, jersey, bamboo, ponte, rib knit, sweater knit. And of course you got the pick a knit rule here. These are fall inspired lightweight outerwear. So the next one is a Mimi G S3071, and it's a lightweight jacket, more of a suit jacket, depending on what you make it out of. And it's rated average. This is the suggested fabrics are cotton blends, lightweight denim, linen blends, ponte, so you can use a knit, stretch wovens, wool, and wool blends. So this will take you throughout the seasons. So, and here is the line art for that. This pattern also has 10 pieces, your front and your back. And it's calling for a lining. So the next one that I have is a Brittany J. Jones pattern, and her like jacket, like a crop type jacket, and it's rated average, and it's called Mrs. Jackets, and it's the broadcloth cotton blends, denim gabardine, linen blends, micro suede, stretch wovens, tweeds, and wools. And you have to have interfacing as well. I see some buttons. This is the line drawing or line art for this pattern. Reminds me of a trench coat. The top half of a trench coat. So you have 12 pattern pieces here. You have A and B to choose from. I'm trying to figure out what's the difference. Oh, A has the belt across the sleeves and B doesn't. The next and last one that I chose out of the stash is a Know Me 2100, which is a bomber jacket. And whether they're suggesting for fabrics are ballwood, wool, corduroy, cotton blends, melton, soft denim, stretch wovens, wool blends, and this is also calling for a lining, polyester or cotton, and lightweight interfaces. And you have zippers and pockets. Nice. Here's the line art for this pattern. The Know Me 2100 bomber jacket. It has 10 pieces, 11 with the elastic guide, front and back of this pattern. So the weather is getting there. It's getting a little chillier every day where I am. So I thought I would go through and pull out some lightweight jackets and present them. Just a suggestion. I want to thank all of the subscribers, everyone. I appreciate your support in each and every way. The comments, remember to comment, like, and share the videos. It helps the channel to grow. It keeps it in the algorithm. And remember to check the community post as well. I do a game called Let's Play the Sewing Game. A lot of subscribers have participated in the game. I enjoy doing them, and I believe you all enjoy playing it. So let's keep it going. I appreciate you being here. Thanks for all sewing inspirations to everyone. See you in the next video. Thanks for coming.